Hi everyone. Looking at another project here. It's we went and bought the kid a new toy, new quad. It's bigger than our other one. We need a way to get 3 machines out. Currently, we got 2 big machines, and then it'll be the kiddo's newer one. Our current flat deck trailer will only hold 1 big quad, and then we throw one in the truck. So I need to make our flat deck trailer bigger. What I'm thinking is we widen out the back, and I think I even have to extend it farther back. We load the big quad on one big quad on the front, forward, like front to back, and then we load the kiddo's new quad on the back sideways. But dimensions are kind of getting hard to work with here. The trailer frame itself is 4 foot wide. The fenders are another 9 inches roughly. I want to extend it out from fender to fender. Basically that's going to give me roughly about 66.5 inches. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do this. The wheelbase on the new quad is running at I think it was about 46 inches on the spec sheet, 46.5, something like that. And then the tires are 22-inch tires. So if you had, if you want the whole tire on the trailer, you add 22 inches to that 46. We're looking at about 68 inches. So a couple inches shy of my target width, but I'm thinking with some ATV tire catches running on both sides, help me from driving the quad off the opposite side of the trailer as a load, but also just kind of catch that quad in place. That 2 inches I don't think is going to make any real difference. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll give you a little show of the trailer here. So this was an old holiday trailer, camping trailer that my parents had given us, and it was pretty rough shape. It needed. Oh, we got a visitor here. One of the neighbor's dogs got loose and is going to come play with mine. Although mine hasn't realized where it is. There they are. At least they're friendly. Hey, Rosie. And so anyways, back to the trailer here. This is the trailer. We tore it down, got rid of the, obviously the camper portion of it, and then decked it out, turned it into a flat deck trailer. It's got I believe it's a 3,500 pound axle under it. When I throw the one quad on, the suspension does not move. It's solid. So I'm thinking I might have to extend the back out, I don't know, maybe even 2 feet. With a big quad on the front, and the vast majority of that weight is going to be ahead of the axle. I'm thinking the weight of the smaller quad hanging off the back of this trailer, it shouldn't be a problem for the tongue weight. I think it'll still ride very smooth. I don't know. Let's give her a thought here and see what we can come up with. It's going to take a bit of fabrication, getting some material, stuff like that. I don't have the quad yet. We're actually still waiting for it to come in, due to the coronavirus issue coming with killing travel, especially in Canada. We decided, well, we got to do a bunch of camping this year instead. Let's buy some new toys, and with our travel budget. And so now we're just waiting for it to come in, and it seems like a lot of people are having that same thought. We've been looking at quads. They're all pre-selling. We almost didn't get the one that we were looking for. It's a Kawasaki Brute Force 300. We actually have to run up to another city to go get it. It's a good 4.5 hour one-way drive just to go pick it up. It's, as far as I can tell, the last one in our province that is allocated to any dealer. So I'm waiting for it to come in so I can, instead of working off a spec sheet, work off actual physical dimensions. I can measure and see how it goes. But I thought I'd post this out there. If anybody has done something similar, anything like that, let me know your thoughts, what you did, what you ran into, things I should look out for. Would be greatly appreciated. Here's a quick little drawing of what I've got. I don't have all the internal structure of the framing yet, like all the cross members and stuff, because it's still decked and I don't want to get into the snow and water, ice on the ground to crawl under there and get it. So this is what I have so far. And you can see that with all the sunlight. I don't know if blocking the sunlight's going to help or what, but that's what we got so far. All right, thank you.